Hi you guys, so I'm gonna be doing a video on how to do a nude lined lip. So and I do want to say I'm doing this off of my phone camera, so you guys won't be able to really show you the things, but I'll put links in the bio and the description so you guys can be able to go and view them. So this is the liner. This one is Sonia Kashuk in the color Maple 16. I'll use that for lining my lips. I'll fill them in to give them like a little nude color. With this is from Maybelline, the color 910 in Bare All. So I'll use this to fill in a little bit. And then for the gloss, I'm gonna use this from Revlon, and it's called Sky Pink. It's a gloss. And again, I'll put links for you guys. So you want to start off with lining your lips. And you guys can fill it in on the edges as you like. Sorry, I had to pause the video for a little bit because I'm at work, if I didn't tell you guys that already. Okay, so I lined my lips, and I'm gonna come in with the Maybelline Bare All. I'm just gonna fill in a little bit, not too much. It's just to give it that nude feel. And you can dab with your fingers if you want. Sorry you guys, paused it again. But yeah, you're just gonna fill in. And you can always put as much as you want in order to emphasize the liner more, as much as you like. And last, I'm gonna come in with my lip gloss, the Revlon Sky Pink Horizon Rose. Again, I'll be putting links, so don't worry. And this is just to give it your gloss. And the reason why I wanted pink is because I love having that pink tint to the nude liner. And this really just seals and really brings together the liner and the fill-in lipstick. So here's the final look. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Bye.